Well, okay, honestly, I didn't expect to be emotional about this. um, well, first off, I'd like to say I am very honored to be accepting this award from the Multi Hero Academy, sponsored by the Multi Hero Association, in a school where they teaching new generation of heroes to uphold everything that the current generation holds. I'm very honored because I'm one of the very few humans to actually graduate from this academy, accepting this award for the Hero of the Year. I'd like to thank all the teachers, all the heroes who have taught me about what it means to be Superman, and first and foremost, he was the very first one to taught me what it means to be a hero, to protect the innocent, defend justice. Um, I'd like to thank Batman for teaching me that you don't need superpowers to accomplish anything in life, but all you need is a strong will, strong body, strong. There are many others I would like to thank, but I'm on the clock and I was told that the multi-universal full teleporter is on the fritz, so I better hurry this along. In fact, I was supposed to be getting a plaque, but I was told that the store that was supposed to deliver it was destroyed during our last battle, so. Oh well, but this will do. But more importantly, I'd like to thank my family, my mother, for giving her all to provide me, to get me into the academy. I'd like to thank my sister for giving me the advice I need to go through my troubles. And I'd also like to thank my older brothers for giving me the combat skills I need to get to where I am today. So overall, I accept this award, and thank you all from the bottom of my heart. And I will uphold everything that the Academy and all superheroes in the multiverse is uphold. Thank you.